Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you what to do if your TikTok app doesn't open. It just crashes or glitches, but I have it working at the moment, so I can't show you how it can be. To do this, you just need to press TikTok on your iPhone and delete it. That is, you press delete. You delete it, you download it again, and this will probably help you because there may be some failure in the application itself, or just there is a lot of garbage, and the best way to clean this garbage, you just need to delete the application and download it again. So here's the way. Also, there is a cool thing about TikTok that if you click on the app on your iPhone, you have a button here. Clear cache. Maybe you open your TikTok because there is a lot of busy garbage in cache. You click on the button. Clear cache, and you clear all the cache you click. Clear and click. There is nothing complicated. That is, you do all this and clear all the garbage on your iPhone. That is, you click delete, and you have cleaned TikTok, and if after you click clear cache does not open TikTok. To do this, you need to go to customize your iPhone, then you need to remove the item, general, then iPhone storage, and here you click size or search in any other way, and here is your TikTok. Here is my TikTok, open it, and now click here, offload app, and click dump our application. We did it all after that click. Reinstall app and download it again. That is how it all works. It may help you. Also, there may be such a problem that in the TikTok itself is a failure, that is, he has some problems on the servers in TikTok, does not open for anyone in all these ways that I showed you. They will not help you because it does not work for anyone. For this, you will just have to wait literally 5 to 10 minutes, and then TikTok will have to work, so that can happen in a panic. Maybe it all works literally in a couple of minutes. It is just wait this time maximum. There may come an hour and TikTok 100% will work. As you can see, this is a very simple and fast way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.